Hi there everyone. So welcome to our last topic of our e-learning class. Okay? So there is like a little changes in our timeline because in our station we're supposed to do online assessment, but there's a problem. Okay? So I just changed that to this. Okay? But don't worry, this is also an assessment. And this is what we called the conversation activity. All right. So whether we can do like one by one conversation activity, but this time we will do it but in a different way. We will do the one by one speaking test when you come back here on July 1st. Okay. All right. So let's proceed. So first thing, I want you to get your workbook, okay? And then open that on the last page, okay? Topic 10, conversation activity, answer in complete sentence, all right? So here is the questions present in your workbook, okay? So it's 1 to 10. 1 to 10, there is a question, and on the other side, you are going to write down your answer. All right, let's begin. And by the way, student, I need complete answer. Like for example, in number 1, what's your name? Let's say, for example, your name is Tirapat Trakanwichit. I hope I pronounced that correctly, okay? If you answer me this way, like only your name, I will mark it wrong. All right? I will mark it wrong. Why? This is not a complete sentence. You only have your name in there. So to answer that, this is how you are going to answer it correctly. Okay, let's erase that one. Then, my name is Hirapat Trakanwichit. Okay? And I will mark it correct because this is complete sentence because you have there your subject and you have their verb to be. Okay? Your subject, my name is, and the rest of the sentence. Okay? So you are going to do that in number 1 to number 10. Okay? Don't copy Pirapat because that is not you. That is not your name. Change that to your complete name. All right, students, and by the way, when you are writing your name, please be guided that in writing the name, the first letter should be capital letter. Okay, don't write a small letter. And then your surname, it should be capital letter. Don't write a small letter, your name and your surname, the beginning of the word, or else I will mark it wrong. All right? Do you understand? Now, I want you to answer this complete sentence. From here, I will not help you, but I will explain the words which is not unfamiliar to you in this question 1 to 10. All right. So what's your name? Very easy. How do you spell that? Okay. When we say spell, what is the meaning of that? Spell. Spell. It's not the magic spell like in Harry Potter. Spell like you are going to spell it out. Spell. Like Pirapat. How do you spell Pirapat? It's P-E-E-R-A-P-A-T. That's Pirapat, okay? Next, what do people call you? So meaning to say, what do people call you? This would be your nickname, okay? Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Bangkok, just like that. But if you're not from Bangkok, or if you are from the province like Chiang Mai, I want you to write it there. Chiang Mai, then Taburi, just write it there. All right? In where are you from? Next, what's Bangkok like? What's Bangkok like? Oh, I think this question was present in our previous e-learning class. Oh, it's hot, very hot, or it's amazing. Bangkok is an amazing city. What grade are you in? Okay, the question is grade, not matayom. So you are going to write there, what grade are you in? I'm in grade 7. What are your classmates like? I think we've conduct uh, activity which focus on talking to your friends. Do you still remember? Okay, next, number 8. Do you enjoy meeting new people? All right. Then right answer there. Do you enjoy? Just a yes or no. Is your teacher from Canada? Is your teacher from Canada? Do I look like from Canada? Am I Canadian? I think it's not. Number 10. How's your English class? Okay, just write it there. My English class is up to you what to write in there. Like fun, like, all right, understand? So I want you to write completely in here. Wrong spelling is wrong. So if you're not familiar or if you are not sure with the spelling, you can consult Google or you can consult dictionary. All right? So you can pause this video if you're not done answering this, and you may click the play button again when you're done. All right? So in this slide, at the bottom of your worksheet, this workbook is to be submitted to your teacher on July 1st. See you, my dear students. Teacher Paul, that's me. All right? So when you're done, bring that booklet and submit it to me on July 1st. All right? Because this will fall or this will serve as your project to me for the semester 1. Do you understand? So if you're done with that, you're done with all of this, make sure you're done from day 1 to day 10. All right? So if you're done with that, this is our day 10, our last e-learning class. Okay, and this is the end of our e-learning class. I am so excited to meet you in person. Do not forget to send me your workbook. See you soon. All right? Don't forget because that would be your project. Okay? If you're done with that, bye for now. See you in person.